Marcus, turn around. Turn around. To me. Now, what you waiting on me for?
Yeah.
You said you was waiting for me. What you waiting for me for?
What is it for you?
For what?
What is it for
Huh?
you? What is it for you?
You just waiting for me?
Yeah.
So what do you want to do? You don't know?
No.
Huh? What did you ask me for? I ain't doing that Ray Lewis dance, boy. That's the Eagles. You been watching football? They do that for the Eagles. Now what you asking me for? Come. What is it that you want in this kitchen? Is it down here? Huh? You got to look up, look around. What is it that you want me to make you in here? You called me in here. You said you wanted something. What is it that you want? You got to think about it.
Popcorn.
Popcorn. You want Pop to make popcorn?
Did you remember yet?
Popcorn.
Come here.
Popcorn.
What is it that you want me to make for you?
Popcorn.
Oh, you want some popcorn? This right here? This what you want?
Yeah.
You know how to pop it?
Yeah.
You want to show me how to pop it? That's not how you pop it. You literally popped it. That's not how you make it. It's not going to pop like that. I got to put it on the stove, all right?
Oh, you got put in the stove.
All right. Well, I'm going to put it on the stove and let it pop, and then you can see it then, all right? All right?
Oh, wait.
Okay. That's it?
What?
Where you get that from?
I don't know. Wait.
Every day I come home, you
Yeah,
got
like
something
you
new.
L'ing somebody out or something. You know, you got somebody in the L.
Let me find out she watching the wrestling match upstairs in your room.
What is that?
Popcorn.
Oh, that's the popcorn. That's the heavy popcorn thing.
Huh?
Water.
Sugar, water.
They say sugar and butter.
And
What's this?
That's what we put in oatmeal. What we put in oatmeal? Sugar, butter, and what?
popcorn, sugar, and
Butter and milk.
Butter and milk.
And oatmeal.
And what you put in popcorn?
You gotta put it in the popcorn.
You got to put the popcorn in the pot. Right?
What
DeMarcus.
What is up with that?
Somebody tried to choke you out.
That's what I'm trying to figure.
How about something?
Somebody tried to choke you out and put you up against the wall or something.
I tried the cookie.
Oh, that's when you was choking with the cookie?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got cut me.
He was showing you the choke hole for when he was eating cookie.
That's how the cookie had you.
He had around
Cookie had you like that.
And he was kicking like that. That's when he was kicking. He like, wow.
Cookie had you choked out like
Yeah,
wow.
Yeah, you kicking your legs in the air like that.
What in the world? I ain't never seen that.
There's pizza.
That's pizza. Yep.
Butter.
Move it. Don't play around the stove.
How to do that?
I'm going to show you when I finish, alright?
Papa, how to do that? How to do that?
I'm going to show it to you, alright? But not right now.
One.
You shouldn't even be in this kitchen while this is
No, he shouldn't. You got a top to put on it?
Son, get off the floor. That floor's cold. Where your slippers at?
Where's my shirt at?
I want you to go find them and come back. And make sure you put them on.